There are several ways to make money from Google. Here are some popular methods. 1. Google AdSense. Google AdSense allows website owners and content creators to earn money by displaying targeted ads on their platforms. You can apply to join the AdSense program, and if approved, Google will place relevant ads on your website or YouTube channel. You earn money when visitors click on those ads or view them. 2. YouTube Partner Program. If you create videos and have a YouTube channel, you can join the YouTube Partner Program. Once you meet the eligibility requirements, such as having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, you can monetize your videos through ads, channel memberships, Super Chat, and merchandise shelf. 3. Google AdMob. AdMob is Google's mobile advertising platform. If you have a mobile app or game, you can integrate AdMob into your app and earn money from ads shown to your users. AdMob offers various ad formats, including banner ads, interstitial ads, and rewarded video ads. 4. Google Opinion Rewards. Google Opinion Rewards is a mobile app that allows users to earn money by completing surveys. The surveys typically ask about your preferences, shopping habits, or opinions on various topics. In return, you receive Google Play credits that can be used to purchase apps, games, movies, or other digital content from the Google Play Store. 5. Google Play Developer Program. If you have the skills to develop and publish mobile apps or games, you can monetize them through the Google Play Store. You can earn money by selling your apps or games, offering in-app purchases, or displaying ads within your app using Google's mobile ad network, AdMob. 6. Google Affiliate Network. Google has an affiliate program called Google Affiliate Network, which allows you to earn commissions by promoting products and services from various advertisers. You can join affiliate programs within the network, generate unique affiliate links, and earn a commission when someone makes a purchase through your referral link. 7. Google Workspace Marketplace. If you develop applications, extensions, or add-ons for Google Workspace, formerly G Suite, you can list and sell your creations on the Google Workspace Marketplace. This platform allows businesses and individuals to discover and purchase third-party solutions that enhance their Google Workspace experience. 8. Google Play Books Partner Program. If you are an author or publisher, you can self-publish and sell your ebooks through the Google Play Books platform. You earn a royalty for each sale or download of your ebook. The program is open to authors worldwide, and you can set your own pricing for your ebooks. These are just a few ways to make money from Google. The specific methods that work best for you will depend on your skills, interests, and the platforms you use. Remember to familiarize yourself with the terms and guidelines associated with each program to ensure compliance and maximize your earning potential. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.